In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and remove plugins in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file. Then click the Actions button at the bottom of the workspace. From the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. To install a plugin, use the search bar and type the name of the plugin you want. You can also search by functionality such as icons, mockups, charts, or stock photos. When you find the plugin you want, click on it and select Install or Run. Once installed, the plugin will be available whenever you need it, and you can launch it directly from the Plugins and Widgets menu. To use the plugin, simply open it from your installed plugins list and follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to remove a plugin, go back to Actions, Plugins and Widgets. Find the installed plugin and click the three-dot menu next to its name. Select Remove to uninstall the plugin from your account. If you ever need the plugin again, you can reinstall it using the same search process. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to install and remove Figma plugins to customize your workflow and keep your workspace organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.